Well, welcome back, everybody. I'm glad you guys are joining me today. And of course, the DOJ likes to follow its own set of laws, its own set of rules that only apply to people they don't like, to people who they continue to send witch hunts after, especially Donald Trump. And here we are once again, the prosecution, the DOJ, not following judge's orders, saying, hey, you can't do anything for the next few weeks. It's a stay, which means you're not allowed to present any more material right now. And however, that hasn't stopped the DOJ slimeball Jack Smith from coming in and continuing to harass Donald Trump during this day as the D.C. Circuit Court reviews the immunity case that Trump has brought before it because the Supreme Court smacked down Jack Smith last time where he said, hey, I'm just skipping this, the Circuit Court. Can you guys rule on this so I can hurry up and prosecute Trump? And the Supreme Court's like, no, you need to go through the proper channels before it gets to us. And so they smack him down back to the DC court. DC court, the circuit DC court, says, hey, you need to put a stay on this until we decide whether or not Trump has immunity, and then we can move forward with this case. And of course, Donald Trump's attorney are now calling for the slimeball Jack Smith to be sanctioned by the court because of his refusal to even obey the laws that are set before everyone else. Everyone else has to follow these laws except for the DOJ, apparently, when they're going after Donald Trump or any other American in this country who tends to sway to the conservative side, or especially if you're white, Christian, or anything like that. That's how they do business there. So before we dive into today's story, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button if you're new here. Thanks for joining me, allowing me to share some info with you. Hopefully you can share it with your friends and family. Smash that like button, 1,500 likes. If you like the content, you like the video, you like the channel, you can smash that join button, become a member of the channel, or you can smash that super thanks. All of it's very appreciated. Thank you so much for your support and your continued support through this upcoming year. So let's go ahead and dive into what we have here. Coming to us from the Gateway Pundit, this is breaking. It says President Trump takes the gloves off and asks the court to hold Jack Smith in contempt for violating the stay order. Trump's attorneys on Thursday asked the court to hold Jack Smith in contempt for violating the judge's order staying all proceedings in the January 6th case against Trump. Donald Trump respectfully moves this court for an order to show cause to why prosecutors Jack Smith, Molly Gadsden, and Tom Windham, collectively the prosecutors, should not be held in contempt for violating the court's order, staying any further proceedings that would move the case toward trial or impose additional burdens of litigation on the defendant. Doc 186 at 2. The stay order. Trump's lawyer wrote in an order reviewed by the Gateway Pundit. The stay order is clear, straightforward, and unambiguous. All subsequent proceedings in this court are halted. Despite this clarity, the prosecutors began violating stay almost immediately. First, within 5 days of the court entering the stay order, the prosecutors served thousands of pages of additional discovery, together with a purported draft exhibit list. Through counsel, President Trump advised that he rejected prosecutors' unlawful productions, that their actions violate the stay order, and that they would seek relief if their malice conduct continued, Trump's lawyer Tom Blanche wrote. So, again, this is even a Obama-appointed judge who put a stay on this case, saying, hold up, we got to wait until we hear from the court above us referring to the immunity. We can't do anything else right now. And Jack Smith is in violation of that. So here we see Jack Smith once again just deciding to just ignore the court's rulings, just ignore the laws that are on the books, just ignore the judges who are saying, hey, you can't do anything, because Jack Smith is a fraud. Jack Smith is a puppet. Jack Smith is someone who is being paid by the DOJ in order to go after Donald Trump, the number one contender to Joe Biden. That's right. Joe Biden is pulling the strings behind all this to ensure that he is taking out his opponent before an election. That is what we see happening here. This is obviously an attack on democracy, attack on our constitutional republic, and it's all what it stands for as this corrupt regime continues to go after Donald J. Trump. So Donald Trump's attorneys are right in firing back the way they did, and I hope the judge will actually look at this and say, yeah, you're in violation. We need to go ahead and sanction you. We need to go ahead and come after you for what you have done. But we'll see if this Obama-appointed judge will go down that road. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Of course, you guys can follow me in all my socials and the links down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.